Hello guys, just wanna share some gameplay in Clan Wars versus 3 Musketeer guys. So I'm using a giant graveyard deck. So I predicted the miner placement. And then he uses his own furnace. And then I place my golden knight at the back. And he also has a golden knight. Look what I'm about to do here guys. I place my bowler at the back. Then he used 3 musketeers guys. Use the golden knight ability and place my giant in the front. Arrows to clear. As the bowler was able to hit the tower. Defensive Skarmy. That's gonna take out the musketeer. I don't know why he placed the miner like that. I'm just trying to bait out these cards. I thought he was going to use the ability. Okay, he went 3 musketeers to back. So I have no choice but to go giant graveyard. Skarmy in the front. Not gonna use arrows yet. Defend the musketeer on the right. Defensive bowler. We have to eliminate the miner first. And his Evo Furnace getting some damage. So I go giant graveyard once again. Evo Skarmy, since he doesn't have a spell. And Evo Skarmy takes the tower. Easy win guys.